So now we are looking at the sights and sounds of Antsirabe. I am my puss. And you see them? So this is I'm on my way to the bank now, and MCB, I'm saying MCB, and so that's basically the mode of transportation in my area, and it's quite an interesting space. It's not too far from my place. It's about it costs about 1,000. The fare is about 1,000 ariari, which is basically less than $1 is 4,000, so it's basically about 25 cents, which is about I think 250 naira to the bank I'm going to now. So that's it from the bank. I'll probably go to the phone company. The name of my company that I'm using is Telma, to go get some data because the data is expensive here, and it goes quite fast. So I'll go get some data, and then thereafter I go shopping. I've run out of groceries, and I'm just showing you some sights and sounds of the streets going to the bank. And this is Antsirabe. Antsirabe is the third largest city or town in Madagascar. Madagascar, the capital is Antananarivo, and then there's the second capital, the second largest city, which is the port city of Tuas. Tuas, I forgot the name now. Tuasima, and then Antsirabe is the third. They're almost the same in terms of population. So this is the center of Antsirabe, and the bank is just right ahead. There's another bank down here, BMIO. There are basically two banks that dispose, or you can use foreign cards, MasterCard and Visa. They accept foreign cards. Most of their banks accept only local cards. So yes, that's MCB, and so that's the bank I'm going to. And basically, I just want to withdraw some cash. So talk to you people later. Okay, bye.